neva neva ai kale kaulana o ia kaha.
One of the big programs that Lāna'i Culture and Heritage Center envisioned was implementing a cultural literacy, place-based education learning system.
Kale puana u ka ui aloha.
Waiaʻōpae Fish Pond was envisioned as a part of our whole cultural resources, cultural literacy stewardship programs. We wanted to engage people in hands-on work on the land.
There's like such a need for like this awesome resource that we have. I feel like people on Lāna'i, sometimes we forget like what rich cultural and natural resources we have here on island, and this is such a special place.
Ua kau mai I ka le au o pua.
Funding would be awesome, but the more people that we can impact as far as forming relationships with the land, that's an added value.
Ai aku ulei I ke kula kakai o kapua ma o āohulo poe.
So there were about 60 people who came from off island, and then today I'd say there were at least 20 community members who came out. It's really awesome to have like 80 hands on the fish pond wall. You know, I feel like we haven't had a stewardship day this big in a while.
You know, there's a beautiful Hawaiian expression, ho'okahi no ohana, maiuka akai, mai kahi pai a kahi pai. It's all one family, from the uplands to the sea, from one boundary to the next.
What we did in the past 2 days would probably take us 2 years because of our crew is only like 8-man crew. Trying to get more volunteers, reestablish the fish pond and highlands. Try to get all this silt out of this area.
Ola ka āina, ola ke kanaka. Healthy land, healthy people.
Sitting in a classroom all day is not the best way to learn for a lot of our local kids, and it's just awesome to see like when they come down here and they've never been to a fish pond before, and they were like, oh, so they get so excited.
If we're going to make an impact, it'll be through them.
If we have success, a bite at a time, we'll get there. You know, hana malie. Work with care, with patience, and we'll get there.
Waiaʻōpae, ho'okahi maoli.